Entertaining made easy in this wonderful home. Situated on 2 acres and located just north of Crooks with only 15 minutes to Sioux Falls in this spacious walkout ranch. Open floor plan allows for everyone to be included. There is a huge family room with second kitchen and glass doors to an outdoor living area and built-in underground heated swimming pool, perfect for family and friends. A total of 4 bedrooms, 4 baths, and nearly 4,400 square feet finished. There is a 4-stall garage plus a 30 by 36 outbuilding. Garage is heated, has epoxy floor, floor drain, and hot and cold water. High quality construction with 2x6 exterior walls, Andersen windows, in-floor heat with 6 zones, central air plus a heat pump, central vac, 400 amp electrical service. The acreage includes a good stand of young maturing trees and plenty of room for hobbies and entertainment. Rooms include main floor laundry, formal dining, great room, sunroom, master bedroom with private bath, front and back foyers, kitchen with granite countertops, family room, game room, lower level kitchen, and huge storage area. For more information on this home, please visit www.dreamhomevision.com or call us at 359-4100 for a